this is for a 1990 Ford F-350, but presumably going to work on the F-150, F-250. This particular truck has the 5.8 liter engine in it. Been a great work truck, but we had a slight problem where the heat, even though you have it selected on the hot setting, the blend door isn't moving. So let me show you what we're talking about. So despite being set to hot, we were still getting cold air in, and moving the lever did nothing. So there is, you can't really see it, but behind there is a cable that's attached that I'll need to fix. But if you open your glove box, so you can see, if you get into your glove box behind there, this can actually be adjusted to the left or to the right by hand, and that's going to change your blend door. It's this cable here that appears to be broken. So what you can do is just manually adjust it so this is all the way to the right. That's going to close off the cold air and only let the hot air come through. And then if you're cold and your cable selector's not working, you can get some heat in your cable. Now, of course, that's not going to fix the problem with the lever itself to be able to switch it back to cold when you get to the when we get to the hotter months. But for right now, we just want some hot air coming out the vents, and that's what we've achieved by doing that.